In the rapidly evolving landscape of Dubai's construction industry, building information modeling BIM has emerged as a game-changing technology, revolutionizing project planning, design, and execution. At the forefront of this digital transformation stands Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, a leading BIM consultancy firm making waves in the UAE's architectural and engineering sectors. With a robust portfolio of services tailored to meet the unique demands of Dubai's ambitious construction projects, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a trusted partner for developers, architects, and contractors alike. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers a comprehensive suite of BIM services, leveraging cutting-edge software and industry best practices to deliver unparalleled value to its clients. From 3D modeling and clash detection to 4D scheduling and 5D cost estimation, the company's expert team of BIM modelers brings a wealth of experience to every project. Their proficiency in creating detailed, data-rich models enables stakeholders to visualize projects with unprecedented clarity, facilitating informed decision-making and streamlining the construction process. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart in Dubai's competitive market is its deep understanding of local building codes and regulations, coupled with a global perspective on BIM implementation. This unique blend of local expertise and international standards ensures that clients receive solutions that are not only technologically advanced but also fully compliant with UAE's stringent construction norms. The company's commitment to continuous learning and adaptation to emerging technologies keeps them at the cutting edge of BIM innovation, offering clients access to the latest advancements in digital construction methodologies. One of the key advantages of partnering with Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for BIM modeling in Dubai is the potential for significant cost savings and improved project efficiency. By identifying and resolving design conflicts early in the project lifecycle, their BIM services help mitigate expensive on-site changes and delays. Moreover, the enhanced collaboration facilitated by their BIM platforms ensures seamless communication among project stakeholders, reducing errors and optimizing resource allocation throughout the construction process. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd's portfolio in Dubai spans a diverse range of projects, from luxurious high-rise residential towers to complex commercial developments and state-of-the-art infrastructure.